Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Madhusmita. I am a divine masculine in female body, and my today's topic is why do I choose my twin flame in my divinity? First of all, what is my divinity? What is your divinity? What will be that state when you are going to call that yes, I am divine? Do you even know that you are 100% divine? Do you even know that you are creating your reality, that you are creating your harmonious union? It's actually you who is creating it, right? And you are creating it with God. That's why it is a divine path. It's not that you are just going chasing someone and doing all the undesirable thing to make it more complicated. No. First of all, you come to the realization that you are a pure being. You are such a innocent and lovable person, right? Nobody, forget about your twin flame. Nobody else even cannot hold their love for you. You are that much lovable. So just think about how your twin flame can stay away from you. That's not true. That's not true, right? So, what is your divinity? Your divinity is the energy where you feel like you are one with God, right? You are one with God, where you see everything in union with yourself, like every plant, every animal, they will communicate with you. They love you, right? That's why they are in your consciousness. Everything is within you. That's why you see that externally, right? So when you make your twin flame journey, when you heal completely, like currently my state, where I have healed a lot of separation pain, a lot of blocks that was major on my twin flame path. So when I have healed everything and I am currently at the peaceful state, like I'm absolutely happy by myself, I'm creating whatever I desire, like I'm connecting with all of you, and this makes me feel very good, connecting and sharing my journey with you. And I'm working with my clients who want to love themselves, who wants to heal their separation. It makes me feel so good, like touching the lives, that feels so good, right? So when I have achieved most of the thing that I desire on my life, I'm feeling peaceful, then why should I choose my harmonious union with my twin flame? Because I know that my twin flame is my mirror. So if I am going to have my twin flame 24/7 around me, then it is going to be like constantly there will be something, like if there is anything that is in misalignment, my twin flame is going to reflect back to me. That is the truth of this relationship. It's not a codependent relationship that you choose anything that is in misalignment and the person will say okay, good, very good, go ahead, do it. No, your twin flame will never do that. Your twin flame will never allow you to sink into that negative path again. The twin is not the twin flame relationship. So when I know that the relationship is going to be like a constant reflection of my state, then why do I choose my twin flame? It's because when you heal all your block related to self expression and hiding, right? So why would you like to avoid your twin flame when you are in one with your truth, right? So when you are in your authentic self and there is nothing that you are doing that is misaligned, you are completely in your innocence, in your integrity, so there will be no fear to have your divine complement. And long, like going along, like going forward, I want more of God. right? Because my goal was to have my complete union, that complete liberation from this karmic pattern. That's my goal. And I know, like, if I stop now, then I will fall into the cycle of karmic pattern again. Like, I will now feeling peaceful, I will go back and I will choose any soulmate and I will be happy for some days. Again the pain will start, because it's a negative choice, because it is a negative choice, right? The positive choice is when I have cleared a lot of vibration, I am feeling like one with God. It is now is the next step. Choose my twin flame and then ascend, because once having your twin flame, then the ascension path is going to be accelerated. Then all the cleaning of, like, 100% cleaning of chakras will happen. Then there will be a path of kundalini awakening that will start once my twin flame will be with me, right? Because the energy exchange should happen physically, right? There should be a physical energy exchange. Then only the energy will first come to the masculine and then it will flow through the feminine. That's how the energy exchange happens between twin flame negative and positive polarity, twin flame divine masculine, and twin flame divine feminine. That's the complete cycle of energy, right? So when I will be ready to embody the kundalini energy, so I need my twin flame, I need my feminine who can support that, right? To embody that huge amount of energy of kundalini, I need a support. The masculine needs a support, right? So when the masculine is not in alignment of receiving that universal energy, receiving that kundalini energy, then there will be no purpose of having the twin flame feminine component. And the reverse is also true. Like, if the divine feminine is not ready to become that support, right, then how that kundalini energy will come to the masculine if it cannot be grounded, right? Only the masculine cannot sustain that kundalini energy. It has to be grounded, it has to earthed. It can only be earthed through the feminine, right? So that is why so if you have like reached the phase where you are feeling most of the time peaceful, and you feel like it's like a good state of being where you are prospering and doing everything good, then it is actually a best time to attract your twin flame in the physical union. Okay, it is a good time to attract your twin flame in the physical union. And in this situation, the ego plays its role, because in the separation phase there has been so many like resentment, some anger, some fight because of that. So if the masculine or the feminine choose that, I have become so peaceful and all that, then why should I go back to the person? No, no, that will be the biggest or the like fullest choice that anybody can make, and the most harm that you are going to cause by just being stuck there and not choosing to move forward to your complete liberation. Okay, so it is always good that once you reach this divine phase, you strongly make a choice to come into harmonious union with your twin flame. Okay, because the moment you make that choice, and then it will be very easy now, because your energy level has ascended. You have released so many blocks, so you will be in a positive vibration to handle that energy exchange between you and your feminine. or your masculine. You can do that when you reach this phase. You will understand what their energies are trying to communicate with you, and then you flow into that energy naturally. It will be easy to do that. And in that point itself, are you going to settle for less, or you are going to choose your twin flame and make your journey complete rather than falling back again into the loop? So never fall back into the loop. When you have ascended, it is always good to take the next step and move forward, ascend towards God. It's a beautiful journey. Enjoy. Thank you.